Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLDV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move here today. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we'll talk about areas of resistance. First level is what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 0013, that would be a big sign of power on the bulls part. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, like I said, best case scenario, if the price can stay above 0013, that would be a great sign. Next level of support after that, down there at the 0009 level. So 0013, 0009, two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and really just trying to simplify, the story, if you will, is all about the purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move its way upwards like that. And if you want to picture that as a trend line, that's more than logical. So when you stop and think about it, okay, well, what does the price have to do as time goes by in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to continue to increase as time goes by. And that, by definition, is what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they basically insult your intelligence. So again, very simplistic way to look at the chart. As long as the price, from the big picture perspective that is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm just going to talk about one, and I'll explain that in a second, and that's just up there at 0017. You can see several occasions this afternoon, bulls try to fight up through there and just couldn't quite do it. So 0017, that next key level of resistance, just going to talk about that one because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a huge priority at this point in time. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations, building higher bases, because when you have those higher bases over time, that's how long-term uptrends are built, and that's what you want to see. So all in all though, no doubt about it, very powerful day today. It'll be interesting to see how it closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.